After months of planning, many late nights, and some last minute crunch times, we finally got the Integra all finished up with the new livery, and it's running and driving great and looks absolutely beautiful. And there's one last thing, or a couple of very last things that we have to get done on this car before it's truly finished, and I've got them right here. For starters, we got to put our Acura badges back on. Now it's show day, and we need to have these on, of course. But the other thing is these right here. They're little details that count, and these are work valve stem caps that I got in Japan at Tokyo Auto Salon well over a year ago, and I've finally decided I think it's time to put these on the car. I've had these wheels, so if you don't know, these wheels, they're pretty rare. They're from Japan. They're called work RSS negatives, and they're actually work wheels, and so I thought it's only fitting to actually have the proper valve stem caps. I know I still need the center caps, but that's a future Logan problem. Look at that. And it also matches the like chrome lug nuts too. 30-year-old wheels. These wheels might be older than this car. Then we got to this one. Show them. Oh yeah, shout out C3 as well, by the way. And Cobra. We love Cobra.
And everyone else on the car.
And everyone else in the car as well.
Especially these guys.
Oh yeah, we love Hankook tires. Yeah. Tires courtesy of Hankook tires. Yeah, right there. One there, and right there.
You just put it upside down. To be like
That?
Victor.
That actually looks so neat.
Vector. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Speed and magnitude.
All right, does that look straight? Enough? Some of this is definitely oil.
Oh, for sure.
What?
When it burns oil, it makes it like an authentic Honda.
Oh yeah, true.
I'm just saying because I'm actively wiping oil off my wing from it having burned it.
Where would oil come from? They get
Oh, the exhaust.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Just you gotta pay to play, you know? Like there. What do you think? To go like up here.
No idea.
Like that.
Hang on. Using a reference image off of my car.
I can always redo it if I don't want it. Up there?
Yeah, maybe a little higher.
Badge is good. Ready to rock and roll. Okay, so we're like right before the show actually opens to the general public. So right now we're gonna actually take our time to like go and walk around and actually see everything while it's a little bit quieter. And we're gonna start with something that's one of the more interesting cars, something you probably haven't seen before. And that's this thing right here. So this is a NB Miata, NB or NC? NB. Okay, that's all right, yeah. NB Miata with cantilever suspension.
Which is, he built this all in his garage by himself.
Yeah.
It's insane.
This is, yeah, home built, super cool. And of course you gotta have TJ's. You guys know this car if you know my channel. This is TJ's 190E with the Evo 2 body kit on it. It looks awesome, but the one difference though you probably haven't seen before is he's got a Red Pig inspired livery on the car, which looks super cool. He's done a great job with it. He's even got the little model on the dash too, that's sick. And you always gotta love a nice S2. This blue is really nice. Oh, I wonder what's under the hood.
I got an idea.
Could be like, see an intercooler, maybe a little Terpskis?
Potentially.
Potentially. GTRS?
Yeah. And
TikTok car.
the old DDE 599.
Is that, oh yeah, it totally is. That's so cool.
Gated.
Is it gated? Gated swap, yeah.
No way.
Both, like when they came to us, both like this thing, spending that money, right?
Yeah. Well, it was their equivalent of the time.
Yep. 12 or 13 for sale right now. We started the month with like 20.
Oh yeah, so the Logan vlog.
Logan vlog.
Back at the Logan vlog.
I got Logan vlog going again. This car is like, I don't know, I like it.
What's going on, guys? Today we're gonna be rating cars here at Driven Calgary on a scale of 1 to 3.
Scale of 1 to 3 is that what we're gonna do?
Yeah, we're gonna
let's do it.
that's
1
our
to 3.
limitation. Our scale
of 1 to 3. Okay.
Let's start with this.
Start with this.
It's an LS. This is a solid 2.
Yeah, I'll give it a 2. Yeah, 2 is
I'm down with a 2.
Yeah. Yeah, 2.
1. 1. 1. 2.
Oh, does the hood emblem give bonus points?
Oh, this is just the 3, just for that alone.
Yeah, 3 for the hood emblem.
What about the Beetle?
Oh, the Beetle's sick. Beetle gets a 3. Beetle's a 3 for show. Show for show. This is nice. I do actually quite like this. This is a 3. This is a 3. Solid 3.
This is a solid 3.
This is a 3. I like this.
Old school mini truck.
Old school mini truck is sick.
Dude, the Cali roof.
Oh, this thing's like slammed down.
I just want to give a little appreciation to the paint match valve cover.
Paint match valve cover goes hard.
Do you think his bolts, I think his manifold and turbo are fully tight now?
Probably.
I hope so.
Oh, sick. Bumper exit off. That's pretty tough. That's pretty tough. That's so sick. What a little unit.
Maybe raise the front end here.
Look where you sit.
I don't know. It's
That's so
it's a long tire. Oh, experimental type shit.
Okay, this is super cool because this right here, this actually competed in Dakar. It's pretty much a stock Bronco, but they've basically taken everything apart, put it back together again with like all the safety equipment, everything you need in order to actually do Dakar. Insane. Right here, this is the fuel cell. What do you think it costs to fill this thing up?
I don't want to know.
It's probably pretty expensive to fill this tank.
Usually built from like a Corvette.
Yeah, that's what this one has.
Twin turbo LS.
Twin turbo LS is insane. I like the color too.
The roof line is at my waist. That's how low it is.
We like this. Show them the front shot.
Yeah, very like 05 GT-esque. This is just a car cameraman Morgan wants to film.
Yeah?
Yes. This car is shipped over from Sweden or Poland or something. I can't remember. But it's owned by Mr. Samsonis, who builds all those, like the sequentials and everything.
Yeah.
And it's a crazy car.
It looks rowdy, it looks gnarly. Yeah, you can see the suspension right here.
Yeah.
Can we take a moment to appreciate the tri-spokes on the FL5, please? I
I don't know if I have the steez to run tri-spokes, but I do love them. I can't lie.
Yeah. Can we go appreciate the wingless FL5? Dude, the white seats.
That's sick. Yeah, the white interior.
Wingless is such a good look.
Blue.
But not just blue. We're gonna talk about the seats.
Blue and yellow.
Yeah, the yellow SR3s. These are actually really sick.
There's not a lot of cars you can pull off like bright yellow seats in, but this car does it. His inlay for the seat insert literally almost matches the carbon Kevlar.
Yeah.
Driven was an absolute blast, and I still can't believe we got this car done in time. Now, if you didn't see the whole build process and putting together of everything that went into making this car happen in time for Driven, go check out the previous video. As well, I need to say a huge thank you to everyone who made this possible. That starts with the C3 Canada. Without them, I would not have been able to get this car wrapped, and I would not have been able to get this livery installed. So huge props to them. They really came in clutch and made a huge impact on how this car turned out. As well, I need to say a huge thank you to Hankook for supplying me my tires, and also a big thank you to Cobra Electronics. Now, they make things like radar detectors and radios, and they're super helpful if either you just want to enjoy your car stress-free, or if you want to be able to take a road trip with your friends. They were a huge partner on this car, and they made a lot of things happen. I'm super proud of where we've gotten with this car. And I'm even more excited because I've still got a lot more things coming. So I know that it seems finished, but don't worry, this is not the end of this car. There's still more that I'm going to be doing with it, which is awesome. Lastly, I want to thank all of you guys. Your support means the world to me, and the fact that every single one of you are here watching and made to the end is awesome. If you're new to the channel, now's when I'm going to ask you to please subscribe if you haven't already. It doesn't cost you anything, and it makes a huge difference for me to be able to pursue this as my career. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next videos. As always, keep it fresh.